How to sync Firefox on your Windows computer to your mobile phone. First, on your mobile device, such as your Android, Samsung phone, you want to make sure you have already installed Firefox. If you haven't got Firefox, you can install it from Play Store. So open it and install and open up Firefox. At the top here, tap on the menu button. And make sure you sign in, so tap on sign in and then sign to your Firefox with an email address. If you already signed in on the computer, you can use the camera, just scan the QR code. Here I can sign in with email, so I choose email instead. And from here, put in your account details, so put in the email address and password to sign in. Okay, so after that, once you have signed in, we go to the computer. Okay, on the computer here, you click on the menu and then click on this part right here, an account. Make sure you also already have signed in. And then we go down and click on connect another device. Next, you go and you select I already have Firefox for mobile. Then we click on the continue button right here. Next, on the mobile device here, if you are not already signed in, we can tap on that and then tap on sign in, and then tap on ready to scan, and then tap on confirm pairing. And here on the device, we click on yes, approve device. So now it is pairing. So whatever you do on your computer, you can now sync to your mobile device. To do that, just click on the menu here and then click on your account and then click on sync, and that will sync to your device here. On the Firefox on your phone, if you want to view the sync tabs on the computer, then you tap on this button here and then tap on sync, and it will show all the sync tab that is showing on your computer. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.